Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is March the 3rd. The time is 4 a.m. GMT. Today we will be looking at the chart of the US dollar Swiss. This is a 60 minutes chart. We can see here. We are calling this rally to 0.98 as a wave B, and it has resumed lower. So that means the move lower here right now is in the wave C, technically speaking, and wave C in a zigzag should be subdivided into 5 waves. We can see in the wave 1 of C ended here, okay, as a 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and then okay, so some people always ask, okay, why is it overlapping 1 and 4? 1 and 4, yes, it can overlap when it is within wave 1. It's called a diagonal. It can overlap within wave 5. Is also called a diagonal. What you cannot have an overlap is within the wave 3. Okay, within the wave 3 is what you cannot have an overlap. So again, the US dollar Swiss ended with 1 of C here. Now looking for a correction or a bounce. Now this is not meant to be something that we think it's gonna rally this big, or it's gonna be bullish. No, it is not, because the right side is lower. So that means the main bias is to the downside. The bounce may or may not happen this much, or it can continue to go lower. It's still within the 5 is down, right? But we should be looking for the downside overall in the US dollar Swiss here. And if we zoom out a little bit, we can take a look here on the daily without any labels here. But you can see, if you look at it from April 26, now we can sort of come up with sort of a minimum kind of target, right? Minimum target. So this is the April 29. Okay, April 26, 2019. You have what looks to be for now, okay, this structure can have couple of different ways to interpret, but for now let's just assume this is a simple let's say 3 swing, right? A simple 3 swing for now. I can argue many different possibilities. This is this could be a connector and so on, but okay, let's leave it for now, and let's assume the simplest and the most minimum way, and assume this is 1, 2, 3. And if it is just 1, 2, 3, you can label it whatever you want, A, B, C, W, X, Y. So let's say, okay, I'm gonna be choosing it from this low because okay, let me see, this one looks like you can call it a flat if you want to. Okay, so this is the absolute minimum approach, in which you assume this is your swing number 1, this is your swing number 2, maybe in the form of a flat. You can see the swing number 3 is not yet reaching the minimum target on the downside, which is 0.9480, and that is the minimum, because technically if you just look at the internal here, and this can also extend lower, okay, and to reach the 100% somewhere around here. So we're talking about the minimum here, which is 0.9480, right? And so that's basically the minimum target on the downside. And here, any bounce therefore should continue to fail, okay, in the sequence of 3, 7, 11 swing for the downside in the pair. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe if you enjoy, and as always, if you like to try our service, we have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. So see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day, everyone.